Hi there, this is Anisha Go for Weight Busters Digital Diner. Today I'm going to give you an overview of the menu widget. The menu widget is what you're going to use for your online ordering, and you can completely customize it to your liking and to the look and feel of your restaurant. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is log into your dining account. From here you're going to be on the guest manager screen, so what we want to do is go to the top of the page to the primary links, select widgets, and then scroll down and select menu widget. Now this is the menu widget builder, so this is going to actually create a widget or a web page for your restaurant. So this is all for online ordering, and this is going to be completely customizable. Size, fonts, colors, so it will give you the look and feel that you want. Now, there's an awful lot here with colors and sizes and backgrounds, but I'm just going to show you a little bit about this, and it's very simple to use, and then I'll show you how quickly you can get your online ordering menu up and running and completely customized. Now, there's always a video tutorial for you if you need the help. But again, we're always here to help whenever you need us. Let's start at the very beginning. Now, here's a sample of the actual widget that you can embed either on your web page, Facebook business page. So if you choose to use a widget, you can do that, but there's also the actual web page. So right here would be an example of a web page. So let's go back here to the widget builder. First thing up is widget size. We can completely change the size of your widget if you want to make it smaller, bigger, and you can use these up and down arrows, or you can just manually type in a size if you'd like to use it that way. Let's take it back up so we can see. I'm going to show you a lot of the features and the colors and things that you can change. Now, next up here is hide header on pages. Now, your header, if you want to hide it, you'll actually have to check that box off. But your header on this web page is actually going to be this top bar, where it actually has the name of your restaurant, has the shopping cart icon, and the logos here. So, if we click hide header on page and then select save widget style, which is something you always have to do if you want to save any changes and actually see it reflected when you test it out, you'll see right here on the web page that header has been removed. Okay, so that's completely up to you. I'm going to go ahead and uncheck that right now. So the next thing we want to do is look at the accent colors. So right here, this accent color is green, and if we go to the web page, you'll see that the menu title is green. So that's going to take that. That's going to be that color. And now the header. There's background color, font color, and the icon color. So what I'm going to show you here is this. This is the background color. This is the shopping cart color, and this is the font color. So let's just show you, for example, if I decided to change the background color and I wanted to do something crazy and make it, let's say purple. Okay, you'll see that change reflected here. I'll select Save Widget Style, and then you'll see that that made that change right here. So very simple to change colors. All you need to do is actually select that square, and the color wheel will come up. Then you can scroll along and make any change you'd like. And then just make sure you hit Save Widget Style. So the header, that's going to, under this header category, it's going to change the background color, the font color, and the icon color right here on this, this header. Now, moving on, the form. This is going to be the actual order form, so what you're seeing here, reflected here. So this whole section right here where it has the background color, right here, that background color. Your text color, which is going to be your title and description of any items that you have. Secondary text color, right there. Now, secondary text color is going to be this quantity and any options that may pop up. So that would make that change. And again, all you have to do is actually click on the box, change the color, and then you'll actually see those color changes. Let me show you here. You'll see it actually change the quantity, change that color right there when I actually change that color. So, so that's the secondary text color. Now, any inputs are going to be the font, the background, the border color for any inputs that you have, text area, so on and so forth. And now moving on to the actual page. We have page text, background, Now the text is going to actually be the font style. So now look up here, I'm going to actually change the font style. And you'll see that that made that change right there. Like I said, a lot of times though, your changes will pop up right here in the widget without even selecting Save Widget Style. But I'm going to do that right there. And then you can actually change the background color for that page. Let's scroll down here and we're going to go to the menu. Okay, so we've got menu, category, text background, border colors, and selected. Now what that means is on your categories, you have right here, selected categories. Your selected category is going to be this one. So right now I have it highlighted in orange with a white font, and it looks like a gray border. Now that is going to be all right here for the selected category. For the deselected category, which is just going to be labeled category, we have the buttons right here. So those are actually the colors and the font changes that you would make there. And now for buttons, we have primary, secondary, and context. Now, what that means is primary is going to be your add to cart button, secondary is going to be your cancel button, and context is going to be your order now button. So for example, right here on the order, when you have actually added an item to your order, these are going to be the buttons that you're going to change. So primary is add to cart, secondary is your cancel, and context is the order now. So you'll see it's very, very easy to use. Again, all you have to do is simply click on the box and a color wheel will pop up and you can make any changes you want. And then just make sure you hit Save Widget Style when you're done. So it's completely customizable, very easy to use, and it's going to be very important to get the right look and feel for your restaurant when you're actually deciding to do online ordering so that it flows nicely. So it's very, very simple. And again, if you ever have any questions with regard to how to build your online ordering menu, your widget, or web page builder, all you need to do is call us or send us an email. Thanks so much for listening all about this menu widget builder and the overview. Please let us know if you ever have any questions. Thanks so much. I'm Anisha Go. Take care.